they could not get away.
Rough cut, rougher than them.
And the words is something in them say, oh yes, you and your son can go to hell. Rough cut, we know under them colonial spell. And those for that thing that they come there. Yeah, brother, how can you do, brother? Not a ragamuffin sound, used to be good. I wanna wear them out. It's like a rough cut. I wanna wear them out. It's like a rough cut. Used to be good. Have some idiots, someone brought them piggy back and sent them gone to hold your man. And I tell you, them up with them rough cut international. Woman say keep your money there somewhere and go back where we are coming from. Cause if it's never been rough cut, no for who no have no food and yam. That's why me a tell them, ease up, from stop going to the other man. And get your money back and go back someone nice.
I'm one of the families. I live from Monday to Friday now. And at the end of the week I got to listen to rough cuts and weekend. Me and my boots in my king. Take a little slowly to dance.
Up to the top, stand up. But we have one thing to know. Let's go.
Where you come from? I move on food. You think you want to come down?
Stop now. Legendary. Hey yo, slow down. We'll take this nerve. We'll take this nerve.
We are the karma. We nice up the that. At least you can give me my reward.
Third time, showtime, Stone Love all time. Yeah, definitely inclined for yours and mine. Music continuously. Yeah, this is how I find representing. Big up all Stone Love crew in the place. Yeah, Father, we call it rules, we'll give it to them same way. Shine the K, night and day. And I play where I play music, we boss it, say, hey. 3 to 1, still going strong. Stone Love the real.